back to my channel if you're seeing this face for the very first time. Hi, my name is Rutuja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So today is the day where I go and buy myself my first ever camera. Oh my god, saying this feels so surreal. Now ignore the background noise. वो आते ही रहेगा. I stay in Mumbai. I can't do anything about it. I just have to film this intro. I wanted to capture it into a vlog because this is a moment I have been waiting for since forever. Buying a camera has been on my vision board for the longest time. The day I started writing blogs, creating video content, I obviously knew that I wanted to invest in a camera, and the day has finally come. Today is 25th of Jan 2024 and I'm just so excited to go and get my hands on my first ever camera. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys along, and I'll also be sharing with you guys all the equipments I am going to get with the camera so that you will get an idea even if you're looking forward to invest in a camera for content creation purpose, because I have done my research and finally I have come down to one camera which I'm going to buy, and uske saath also I'm going to buy equipments to enhance my video quality, audio quality, everything. So yeah, make sure you're watching the entire video if you are here to know which camera to exactly invest in as a content creator. So without any further ado, let's just go and buy our first ever camera. I'm going to shout because here's what I'm wearing. Quick outfit check. So excited. Let's go. Okay guys, so we are back home with my first ever camera. I can't believe this, that I am holding this in my hands. It's a dream come true. So I bought the Sony ZV E-10 camera. I am so excited to share with you guys how it looks and all the details about this camera. I'll also be sharing with you guys equipments that I've got along with this camera. But before that, let's just quickly unbox this and let's just see what all we have inside this box apart from the camera. So the camera comes in this box, and once you open the box you will get a Sony manual which will guide you to register and join the Sony community. Then obviously you will get a 2 years warranty card, and then there are manual books which will help you to learn about the features of the camera. After that you will finally see the camera and just look at it. It is designed so well, you guys. The body just looks amazing. Talking about what all you get with the camera, so you get one windscreen for your mic, then one battery, one charger and wires to assemble it, a Sony camera strap, and super important, a 64 GB memory card. Talking about why I picked this one specifically, so I did my research, but I also made sure that I'll go on field and see the cameras and hold it in my hands. And the irony of it all is that this is the first time I am ever holding my camera in my hands. So when I went to the store, Chroma store, for my Recce, on my Recce day, the guy suggested me to get this one. He told me this is the top camera for content creators to have because it is super compact, it is super lightweight, and it is super budget friendly as well because it's a high-end camera, and high-end cameras come thoda sa 1 lakh के pricing में. So in that high-end cameras, this is the budget friendly one. So that's why he was so keen for me to take this one. So one thing that I was clear was that I did not want to go for Canon, because if I ever had to choose between Canon and Sony has always been my top priority when it came to investing in cameras, because I had done my research before going for the Recce as well. So I knew that I wanted to invest in a Sony camera, but which one I did not know. So that's why I made sure that I take my time and then I go there. So after I came back from the Chroma store, I did my research for this particular model, and after doing my research, after watching particular videos like Technical Guruji and a lot of videos I watched, honestly, I'll be linking those in the description box below, because those are the videos where you will gain the technical knowledge, because I'm not a technical expert. So I watched all these videos and then I was convinced enough to buy this specific camera. And guys, you won't believe, on my vision board I just randomly put one camera, a white camera. I firstly wanted a white camera, but in this one the white camera wasn't available, so I went for the black one only. And on my vision board, the model which I have put without knowing it, it is the same model. And I was like, oh my god, I literally manifested this camera without even knowing it. So as I was saying, this is the first time I am holding this camera because they only had one model. It's a very fast selling piece, so that's why they couldn't open it for me. I had to buy it for me to check it. Throughout Mumbai में जितना बड़ा क्रोमा है, I went to सबसे बड़ा क्रोमा and उधर जाके सिर्फ एक ही piece available था. So after I did my research and everything, and after I knew that I wanted to buy this, I ended up buying this one. So two things that I wanted to keep in mind before buying a camera was, one, it needs to be super lightweight so that I can travel with it. It should be travel friendly. So the shopkeeper was like, "Nahi ma'am, this is lightweight." So I was like, I'm going to just go and trust your words and trust all the reviews that I have watched on YouTube and go with this without even holding that. Just imagine the trust that I don't know how things lined up for me and how I invested in a camera without even holding it. But now that I am holding it, I feel this is the best decision that I have ever made, and I'm so happy because it is super 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 lightweight, it is super handy, it is super convenient. And the second most important point was I wanted to invest in an interchangeable lens wala camera, because in the long run I know I want to up my production quality, so I'll be investing in lenses rather than investing in an entire camera. So there are a lot of lenses which you can attach to this specific model, so that also this was checking. This A stands for alpha, so that means it's a top quality camera, you guys. And technically also this gives 4K quality. Just watch those videos, they will convince you technically. So I was pretty much convinced, and I think overall I have made the right decision by going with this Sony ZV E-10 camera. Honestly, my budget was 50,000, but this camera ka MRP is 69,990. So Chroma had a Republic Day sale going on, so I got this camera for 61,490, which was a steal deal, you guys. Uske साथ I got a Sony का earphones as well. Now the MRP of this one is 13,000. So collectively it was a steal deal for me, and I had to think long term के हिसाब से. Those were the reasons that I went and invested in my new and my first ever camera, and I'm so glad I did it. I just can't wait to start filming with this. So the next step is setting the camera up. So come, let's quickly do it together. Here's how to assemble your camera. Start by adding the battery first, then the memory card. Both the slots are at the bottom of the camera. Then add the windscreen on the mic. Now to assemble the charger, put both the wires in the respective slots given in the adapter, and that's basically the basic setup of your Sony ZV-E10 camera. So this is where you will find the charging slot. This is the charging slot, so you just have to put this wire over here and then it will start charging. And this is exactly where you can connect your wires to transfer your data to your laptops. So guys, if you want to attach an external mic as well, they have also given a slot over here. To enhance my video quality even further, I have invested in two equipment. So the first one is a mic and the second one is a Bluetooth wireless grip. So guys, this is the mic which I am already using, so आपको audio quality से तो पता लग ही रहा होगा. So I will obviously do the unboxing and show you guys what all comes inside this, but I would totally 100% recommend you, if you're looking for a wireless mic, this is the one. I love Digitech as a company. All my tripods are from Digitech, so I really wanted to try their mics out. And yeah, MRP is 10,995. I link the Amazon links in the description box below. And now talking about the Bluetooth wireless grip, Chroma did not have it, so he suggested me to get this one. He just told me you can just vlog using your hands, you don't actually need a tripod, but it made sense for me to invest in a tripod because I want to protect my camera as much as I can. ऐसा नीचे रख दिया हाथ से गिर गया because I have long nails, so वो सब I don't want. So that's why I invested in this grip, because ये grip उसका weight ले सकता है. So this is where you attach your grip. This grip is very convenient if you want to vlog and everything, but for my sit down videos I have a Digitech cut, very sturdy strong tripod. You just hold it from here and keep twisting it ऐसा. So yeah, this is how the entire setup looks like. Now talking about this grip, so this grip ka MRP is also around 11,000. Again, I'll link it in the description box below. It is definitely little expensive because it's a Bluetooth grip. I can just manage my zoom in, zoom out, start functions using this grip, and as you saw, This also opens up like a tripod, which is very convenient again to just sit and vlog. Talking about more equipments which I would want to invest in future, I just wanted to wrap this video as soon as I can. That's why I just thought of shooting with whatever I have. One is definitely a camera bag. I really want to have a camera bag जिसमें मैं सब अच्छे से रख पाऊँ. And then the second one is a screen guard, which I basically want to put it on the screen just to protect it for my satisfaction. And the third one is a camera cover. So iska camera cover I saw on Amazon. So everything that I'm mentioning will be linked in the description box below for you guys, because jitna I can help you guys, I really want to help you with all the information from my end. Now guys, let's quickly see the difference between my iPhone 14 Pro and the Sony ZV E-10 camera. Okay, this is the first time ever I am going to record in this camera. I am so happy. So this is my Sony ZV E-10 camera and this is my iPhone 14 camera. You can see the difference. This camera is the Sony camera is on auto mode currently. I haven't explored the features yet, and yeah, you can clearly make out the difference. I have to say this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rutuja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited for all the high production quality content which is going to come your way, and please make sure you're subscribing to my channel. Abhi itna ताम झाम इतना investment जो किया है, you need to keep watching my videos so मेरे को ROI मिले. Just kidding you guys. So one thing that I do for sure know, after investing in so many equipments, I'm definitely gonna be consistent on my channel. As I have already told you, our 2024 goal is to hit 1 lakh subscribers on a channel and to get that silver play button. So come join my journey, join the Roof fam. And yeah, that's that. You know the drill. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. Also go and follow me on my Instagram. I post new content on Instagram and YouTube shorts every day, so go connect with me on all my social media platforms. You're going to be in for a lot of quality content. Leave a camera emoji down below. Guys, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, live and let live. Take care. Bye bye.